The truth was, until my husband of 30 years died about 5.5 years ago, although I thought I could understand it, you can't understand it until it really happens to you. That was gave me such insight because somebody who's experienced profound grief can explain it to the other jurors, right? And if you haven't, people don't really understand it. They just think that they do. And my husband dying was probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my whole life. And I'm a very upbeat, positive person. Had you told me that I would be a crying person, I would have said, "Oh, that's just not me." And there you go, your husband dies and you're crying every single day. It just is god awful. And it made me realize that people who've experienced that would be wonderful jurors. But what happens when we voir dire on damages is, of course, we get up and voir dire damages, and the defense stands up and says, "Okay, all of you who've suffered a horrible tragedy, this would be too hard for you, wouldn't it?" And everybody gets off the panel. And so you have to figure out a way to find those people and then not just find them, but to keep them. And so I had not asked that question ever until after my husband died. And now, when I ask, you always want to encourage participation by raising your own hand when you ask a question like, how many of you have experienced profound grief? Because I have now experienced it too.